Alright guys, got another video for you. This one, I'm making a game. This game is going to be matching states. Eventually it might become capitals as well, but for right now it's going to be matching states. If you right click your mouse, it will cycle through to different states that you have to find where they go. If you push F or G, it will rotate the state. And so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out where all of these states are and where they actually go. It might be a good idea to look up a map of the United States. Okay, so for example, this one, I know this one goes on Florida, so I'm going to find the location right where I need to click in order to put it where it needs to go. So if you scroll your mouse wheel up and down, it will size the state. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to get it in the right spot, or at least close. I kind of got two different maps, so they don't match exactly. It would probably match better if I had two of the exact same, but I don't. Okay, so maybe I'll come up with a different way, but what y'all are going to do is you're going to match them up, and then when you left click, it will place the state down, and then in the output of the program, here's the output, it tells you the state's frame number, the scale, the rotation, and the location. And up here in the top, I'm under the state selector, you need to fill in this information in a dictionary. So this will be some good dictionary practice. So that last one I just did was frame number 8. So I'll put an 8 right here. The state was Florida, and I know that because I know where Florida is. You could also look up a map. Not that one. Hold on, let me click this one. Here we go. You can also look up a map. So Florida, that's where the state is. So then I'll come over here to Connecticut and I'll change this one to Florida. And then the size, the reason why I'm doing the scale as well is because, like I said, the states are not, the icons are not the exact same, so I need to rescale them for each one. So I'm going to do 3, 3, and the rotation, I'll just round that up, -9. The correct answer was 1387 by 786. 1387 by 786. Okay. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go through and you're going to fill the rest of these in. Here, let me do another one so we can make sure we know what we're doing. Okay, so if you're out here and you have your state, every time you right click, it'll flip through a new state. And then we can find one that we know. I'm not sure which one this one is. Let me do a different one. Hawaii. Okay, so then I'll size it to fit, put it on there, get it kind of close. Maybe I'll rotate it just a little bit. Try to get it as close as I can. That's close enough right there. So I'll click, and then I made it print out, so frame number 10 is Hawaii. The scale needs to be 2.8. So 2.8 by 2.8. The rotation, -2 degrees. And the vector, this is the correct answer, 644 by 853. Okay, so what I want you to do is go through all of the states and get their size, scale, rotation, and store them into your dictionary. Alright, have fun with this, guys. Talk to you later. See you next time.